Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 exercises that make your chest grow. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. If you look at fitness magazines, something that is very clear is that one of the most attractive parts of a male's body is the chest. The chest has a great influence on how a man looks. Having a strong, big, and toned chest is really stunning, but it is not just about appearance, it is also about your health. Your chest muscles are some of the most powerful muscles in your upper body, and they play a key role when it comes to pushing movement, from pushing the door open to lathering up your hair in the shower. We know how important it is to include exercises that target the chest in your workouts, so you can rest assured that you'll work those muscles by following these workouts we are going to be sharing with you in this video. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Chest fly. This is an exercise that is known by everyone who went to the gym even once. The good news is that you can do this exercise also at home. To do this movement, you should lie on a flat bench with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing each other. Extend the arms above your chest, shoulder width apart, but hold your elbows flexible at all times. Be sure to not lock your elbows. Then lower your arms on both sides in a wide arc until you feel a stretch in your chest, and then bring the dumbbells back up. Keep in mind to do the movement to the level of the shoulder joint, and not at the arms and elbows. Number 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great bodyweight exercise that hits your chest and arms. The good thing about the push-up is that you can do it anywhere and anytime by using your own body weight. You just need a firm surface. The push-up requires several muscle groups to work. Unlike other exercises that require weights, it works for the smaller muscle groups and uses them as stabilizers. This means that your core and hip flexors are also affected even though your chest is the main target. Push-up has many variations, and each of them has a different impact on the body. Triangle push-up. Triangle push-ups are another challenging variation of push-ups performed by placing your hands close together until your thumbs and index fingers touch, forming a triangle shape. Having your hands in this position while doing push-ups will slightly alter which muscles are involved in the exercise. Triceps and inner chest muscles will be affected more. PushUp Hold. The PushUp Hold is an isometric type of exercise that will grow your chest strength and definition and will also work your core, shoulders, and arms. This exercise has another advantage apart from making you physically strong. It will definitely make you mentally tougher. This is because you need to hold the push-up position for as long as you can. So if you think that doing push-ups is tough, think how tough this is. The main key here is to believe that you can do it and to push your limits. Wide push-up. Doing push-ups in a wide position is another variation that will put more pressure on your chest. This is because most of your weight is transferred to your pectoral or chest muscles when you place your hands in a wide position. So the farther you put your hands out, the greater the challenge for your chest. Wide push-ups make you use your pectoral muscles more to assist you to lift your body, and this will increase the strength in your upper body. Decline push-up. The decline push-up is a more complicated version of the basic push-up. The difficulty is enhanced by placing your feet on a higher level than your hands. The higher your bench, chair, or box is, the more difficult and intense the movement gets, and consequently you get better results. Number 3. Chest dips. Chest dips are a fantastic exercise to build a strong chest, and some even argue that it is the overall best chest exercise. This exercise not only adds depth to the chest but adds width as well. Besides, as your body isn't supported by the bench like in a chest press, it means that other muscles are working as you have to work harder to stabilize your body weight. For this exercise, you won't need dumbbells but instead another piece of equipment, either parallel bars or 2 flat parallel surfaces you can dip between. Stable bar stools also work. Grab the bars or place hands on the flat surface and hold your body at arm's length. Arms are locked, knees are bent so you don't touch the floor. With control, slowly lower your body keeping your elbows pointed out slightly until you feel a slight stretch in your chest. Be careful not to go down too low, you don't want to hurt your shoulder joint. While exhaling, contract your chest to bring your body back to the start position. Number 2. Regular chest press. Lie on a flat bench, holding the dumbbells in your hands. Stretch your arms over your shoulder, shoulder width apart. From this starting position, inhale and descend slowly until your elbows are parallel to the floor at a 90 degrees angle. Then push the weights back up while exhaling to return to the starting position. You can also do another variation of this exercise which is named incline chest press. Lie on a bench with an incline with a dumbbell in each hand. Then lift the dumbbells shoulder width apart, arms extended, and rotate your wrists so that the palms of your hands are facing each other. Stay in control of the dumbbells at all times and slowly lower the weights while inhaling. Then exhale, pushing the dumbbells upwards with the help of your chest. Number 1. Bench with bands. Including various types of resistances in your pec training is great for shocking the muscles into getting stronger and bigger. You're achieving this by training with free weights, cables, and cambered machines, each of which applies a slightly different form of resistance. But yet another way of working the muscles differently entails using rubber bands. Using bands improves the total workload placed on the muscle, while unloading some of the weight at the bottom of each rep, where you're weaker, and improving it at the top, where you're at a mechanical advantage. To do this exercise, the next time you do a Smith machine bench press, on each side secure a band from the bar just outside of the weight plates to the bottom of the rack. You'll have to load the machine with less weight than usual to account for the added resistance of the bands. Your technique won't change, but you'll notice the resistance increasing as you press the bar up. Do 2-3 sets in this manner, then either move on to your next exercise or do a set or 2 more without the bands. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.